You who call yourselves heroes. Villagers sing your names, children sleep easier because of you. Oh, when you came to my home, you did not save anyone. You kicked in a door, you cut down my brothers, you ran your blade through my mate while she was reaching for me. You never learned her name. You never heard her laugh. You never saw the way she held our child. For months I followed your stories like a trail of blood and applause. Every cheer led me closer. So understand this. Tonight, I'm not your monster. I'm the consequence.